glass breaking shutter effect in Filmora. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create a dramatic glass breaking shutter effect that adds a strong visual impact at the end of a video. To begin the tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the tutorial smoothly without interruptions during the editing process. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen properly. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace for editing your video. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings before starting the editing process. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm and apply the settings correctly. Next, click Import to open the Media Import window. Then, select the video you want to use and click Open to add it into the Media Library panel for editing. Drag and drop the imported video into the timeline section so you can begin editing it directly. Then, select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any mismatch issues during editing. Next, adjust the video duration in the timeline to fit your desired length for the final result. Then, adjust the size in the preview window display properly so the video appears balanced within the frame. After that, click the Effects menu to access the available visual effects. Click the search column, type glass breaking shutter, then press Enter to quickly locate the effect you need. After the results appear, select Shattered Glass 04 Effect preset from the available options. Then, drag and drop it above video 1 in the timeline so it overlays the main footage correctly. Set the effect duration to only 5 seconds at the end of the video so the transition appears at the final moment. After that, click the full screen icon button to preview the project clearly without distractions. Carefully watch the playback and observe how the glass breaking shutter effect appears at the end of the video.